Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a sorrel fruit cake. This one is going to be a non-alcoholic cake, so if you guys would like to see how to make this amazing cake, keep watching. So to start this recipe, we need to soak our fruits a couple days or a couple weeks in advance. So in a big bowl I'm adding in my cherries, my mixed peel, raisins, dried cranberries, dried currants, prunes, cinnamon leaves, cinnamon sticks, and I had these 2 pieces of nutmeg left over, so I'm going to add it to the mixture. This is how my mother-in-law mixes or makes her mixture. So now, to make it non-alcoholic, I'm using this sorrel concentrate from Caribbean Flavors. And if you cannot find the sorrel concentrate, you can make your own. They also sell the petals that you can boil and reduce into a concentrate. Or you can use some malta. In goes some hot water, and the hot water is going to help plump up your fruits. If you wanted to use this right away, what I suggest you do is boil it on your stovetop for about 15 minutes until it's plump, and it will be ready to be used. I'm topping it off with some more of that sorrel just to make sure that everything is properly covered. Now this you need to keep in your refrigerator because there's no alcohol in it. So keep it in your refrigerator until you're ready to use it. And when the day off that you're ready to use it, you're going to remove your plastic, and you can remove the cinnamon leaf, or my mother-in-law leaves the cinnamon leaves and blends it in her fruits. So it's totally up to you. The cinnamon stick and all of that is going to be blended together. Look how plump and how nice the fruits look. So I'm going to add all of this to my blender, and we're going to blend it. Now you can blend it as coarse or as fine as you like. I like it a little bit more on the coarse side, so that's the way I'm using it. So set that aside and let's work on the cake base. So in my bowl I have butter. I'm adding in sugar, and if you let your butter stay out overnight so it gets to room temperature, it actually creams faster. So we're going to cream the butter and the sugar, and once it's combined, we're going to add in our eggs one at a time and allow it to mix properly before adding in another. So you'll add your eggs, and once they're incorporated, we're going to move on to the next step, which is adding in our fruit mixture. So I'm going to be using 2 cups of fruit puree for this recipe. You can put less, you can put more, it's all up to you. So add that to the creamed mixture. And next you're going to just give that a mix to incorporate into that butter mixture. Now my mother-in-law likes to put jam, so I'm using her secret of adding in 2 tablespoons of jam. It really does make a difference. It gives you a really rich, fruity, sticky fruit cake. So just mix that in. And you can use any type of jam you like. Next goes in cherry essence. If you cannot find cherry essence, use a vanilla or mixed, it doesn't matter. And we're going to mix that in. Once it's mixed in, we're going to add in our flour, baking powder, some freshly grated nutmeg. Although we had in there, I still like to put some more. And we're going to mix this in. And you want to mix until it comes together and everything is well incorporated. And you can already see the nice pink color this has. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some browning from Caribbean Flavors. I really love their browning because it's not really dark. It gives you a really nice color. So you see, you just need a little bit. and mix that in. You don't have to put the brown in, it's totally optional. All you have to do now is pour this out into your cake pan, and it bakes at 350 degrees for 1 hour 15 minutes, or until a skewer comes out clean and it's set in the middle. Once it comes out, you can soak it with some more of that sorrel, or you don't have to. For me, it was perfect. It was nice, it was moist, and you'll see here how moist and nice it is on the inside. So feel free to soak it with that same sorrel concentrate, or don't. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. It's non-alcoholic, and thank you all for requesting it. If you make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for always being here on the channel and supporting me. I appreciate each and every one of you. I wish you a happy holiday season. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.